Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to fix broken header and menu issues in Elementor. If your site's header suddenly stops displaying correctly or your navigation menu isn't working as it should, this quick fix will get everything back to normal by clearing cached files and ensuring your plugins are up to date. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the left sidebar and navigate to Elementor, then click on Tools. This section contains several maintenance options that can resolve common display issues, and it's often the first place to check when something goes wrong with your Elementor designs. Inside the Tools section, you'll see a tab labeled General. Make sure you're on this tab, then look for an option called Clear Files and Data. This tool removes all cached CSS and JavaScript files that Elementor has generated. Sometimes these cached files become corrupted or outdated, which causes headers and menus to break or display incorrectly. Go ahead and click Clear Files and Data, and when the confirmation prompt appears, confirm your choice. This step forces Elementor to regenerate fresh files the next time you load your pages. After clearing the files, scroll down and click Save Changes to ensure the action is applied. This is important because it finalizes the clearing process and prepares Elementor to rebuild your site's styling from scratch. Next, we need to make sure your Elementor plugins are fully updated. Head over to Plugins in your left sidebar, then click on Installed Plugins. This will show you a list of all the plugins currently active on your site. Look specifically for Elementor and Elementor Pro. If you see an update available for either of them, go ahead and update both. Running outdated versions can lead to compatibility issues that affect how your headers and menus render, so keeping these plugins current is essential for smooth operation. Now there's one more step that can help, and that's clearing your browser cache. Your web browser stores temporary files to load websites faster, but sometimes it holds onto old versions of your site's design. To clear this, click the three dots at the upper right corner of your browser window. From the menu that appears, select Delete Browsing Data. You'll then see options for what to clear. Make sure cached images and files are selected, then click Delete Data. This ensures you're viewing the most recent version of your site without any interference from old cached files. And that's it. By clearing Elementor's cached files, updating your plugins, and refreshing your browser cache, you've resolved the broken header and menu issues. Your site should now display correctly with all navigation elements functioning as expected. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.